What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to use those two strategies that I showed you guys in the previous video, but way more in depth. I'm gonna go everything from A to Z, show you guys exactly how to get the best sniper entries possible and make the most amount of profits whenever you're trading any market from forex, crypto, and stocks. But before I do that, I want to tell you guys about our Discord signals. Now, I know you've seen every single influencer and guru out there shield their own signals to their community and charge them a monthly fee for their signals, but we actually have free signals for you, and I'll show you guys at the end of the video exactly how you get them for free. Now, we have over 20 different analysts giving signals for forex, crypto, stocks, futures, gold, and metals. So if you guys want to learn how to use that, check it out. Wait till the end of the video and I'll show you guys exactly how you get those signals for free. But other than that, guys, let's get into the video. Let's show you guys exactly how to use this specific strategy to help you get the best sniper entries on the market and on any time frame. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys, some of this stuff will be a little bit beginner, but if you already know this stuff, just keep watching. Don't let go of the video because you're gonna have some really valuable information for this strategy and help you with your trade. So if you already know something, just watch it or skip to a part that isn't something that you already know, but I recommend just watching it all the way through. Okay, so before we start the strategy, I gotta teach you guys exactly how to look at a market and determine what type of trend it is in. Now, as we know, there is 3 different types of trends that can happen in a market. The first one, guys, is called an uptrend. That's when your candles are making higher highs and higher lows. So it's gonna look like a wave to the upside, something like this. So for example, over here, we have a higher high being created and another high being created, establishing that we are in an uptrend. As well as the lows are getting higher every single time. So we have higher lows being created. This is an uptrend. Next, guys, we also have what we call a downtrend, which is basically exactly like this, but this time we are going lower and lower. So the highs are getting lower and the lows are getting lower as well. This is what you call a downtrend. And then finally, guys, we have a sideways market. That's when you're not making any highs or lows on the chart and the chart looks like this, for example. Now, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can trade all 3 of these scenarios, but this is something that you have to really understand and look at and establish early on the chart before you start trading, guys, because we don't want to be caught on the wrong side of the trend. Now, for this specific strategy that we're using right now, we want to catch these moves right here. We want to catch this move over here, this move right there, this move right here, as well as, again, if we're on the downside, we're catching these moves to the downside right here. We're not trying to catch the upwards market. So this is what we're trying to catch, this low movement. For the sideways markets, we're going to try to catch the tops and bottoms. So over here, for example, and I'll show you guys at the end of the video exactly how you can do this. Now, for this strategy, again, we're going to need to use one indicator on our charts. Let me show you guys exactly which indicator you want to use. So the indicator we want to use is this right here. It's called Elite Algo. Now, this indicator is not available on the public library, so if you don't have access to it, don't worry. I'll show you at the end of the video also how you can get access to it. But once you have access to this indicator, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to have these settings for this strategy. So over here, guys, we're going to go ahead and turn on the trend only preset because we only want to be trading with a trend if we're in an uptrend or downtrend. For the sideways market, I'll show you guys at the end of the video. Now, over here, we want to have the signal logic set to pro scalper and the pro scalper sensitivity anywhere between a 2 and a 4. This is up to you and this is preference on how you like to trade. A 2 will give you faster signals, a 4 will give you slower signals, but more confirmed signals. Next, guys, what we want to do is we'll turn on candle coloring. Then down here, we'll turn on the echo cloud, the trend sniper line, the dashboard, and then finally, but not least, guys, we'll turn on the TP and SL points right over here. And if you choose, you can also have the dynamic support and resistance line turn on as well on our charts. This is just to help us understand where the support and resistance levels are on our charts. So now we have all these settings clicked on, we're gonna press OK. And now we are set to go with this strategy, guys. So what's gonna happen is that you're gonna see that Elite Algo is gonna remove all the buy signals from the chart because we put the indicator inside the trend only mode. This is very important, okay? We're gonna make sure that this is on. That way we don't get any confusing buy signals that are against the trend. Now, once we have it set up, this is what we want to do. The first thing we want to do is we want to take a look at the chart. We want to make sure that we have a red or green echo cloud. That is step number 1. So right now we can see that we have a red echo cloud. Next step, guys, we want to take a look at the trend sniper line. Is it red or is it green? If both the echo cloud and the trend sniper line are red, then you are free to take any sell signal that comes on your chart. But now you want to understand that the thing we're looking to get right now, the profit that we're looking to make, is we're looking to catch these retracements. So for example, right here, we saw the price go up, we got the sell, we're looking to catch this retracement right here. This is what we're looking to catch. Same over here, price went up, came back down and gave us the sell signal. We're looking to catch this retracement right over here. So for example, again, price went up, Right over here, we saw little green candles. We got the sell signal. This is what we're trying to catch. This whole move right here on the side. That's what we're trying to catch. We're not trying to catch the buy signals again over here or over here if you have any buy signals there. That's how simple this strategy is. It's very, very easy once you understand exactly what type of market you're in and what type of strategy you're going to be implementing on the trade. Now let me show you guys some examples so you know exactly what to do. Okay, let's take a look at the chart right here that we're looking at. We're looking at EUR/USD on the 1 hour time frame. Now we can see very clearly that we were in a downwards trend over here with the red echo cloud and the red stripe lines, followed by a bullish trend that was then switched to a bearish trend. And how you can tell is very simple, guys. So we can see over here, we're creating higher highs and higher lows. Then eventually what happened, guys, is over here, we see that this low got created that was lower than this low. So now automatically, guys, we switched trends. So now you can tell we were making lower highs as well on the trade. So we could have taken every single one of these sells, then taken every single one of these buys that will all hit take profit. And then we could have taken every single one of these sells again and these buys over here. Now that we understand exactly when we can take a trade, when do we take profit for these trades? This is also extremely simple, and I'll show you guys exactly how you can know. There's two different things you guys can look at, right? You can look at the support and resistance lines. So over here we see, let's say we took this buy signal right there, right? We took this one here. We saw that there's a hard resistance right over here and then right over here. These could be the areas that we take our profits. We also see that the algorithm is also giving us these X's. These X's are potential areas that the price may reverse. So these could also be our take profit areas. And then for the stop loss, we simply just want to use a swing low. So for example, right over here, let's just say theoretically we were taking this buy signal. So we took it around this area. The swing low would be right there, right below that area right there. Extremely simple, guys. And this is exactly how that trade would have went and played out. And as we can see, looking at this chart, we would have multiple winning positions in a row. Let me show you guys a little bit more examples so you can understand even further. Okay, so here's another chart that we're looking at, guys. We see over here on this chart, again, we have our trends, right? We see that we were in an upward trend right here. Eventually, this trend was broken and we created a lower low on this last low. So now over here, we are in a bearish trend that got broken again to the upside. But this is how easy it is to just take a look at the chart and see exactly if you're in a bearish or bullish trend, and then taking advantage of the algorithm. So over here, for example, we have the green echo cloud, the green trend sniper line. We got a buy signal, so we could have entered this trade and we would have exited when it hit the resistance right over here or over here if we got the second X. So again, that part is preference for you, and the stop loss should slightly be below the swing low, which is right there. And over here, as you can see, every single one of these sell signals will be the same exact thing, guys. We take profit at the resistance or support and the X's. Very, very, very simple to understand this strategy. Now, I told you guys at the beginning of the video, I'll show you how to get Elite Algo if you don't have access to it. Now, if you don't have access to Elite Algo, what you want to do is simply just go on our website here, elitesignals.com, and simply just sign up for the membership, and you're going to get access to Elite Algo. Now, Elite Algo is actually very affordable. It's actually costs less than this Prime bottle per day. So this Prime bottle is about $3.50 here in Canada, and our membership is only $2.50 Canadian per day. So what would you rather have? Would you rather have an algorithm that makes you money or just a drink that is unhealthy for you? Even though these primes are delicious, I would still pick the algorithm every single day of the week, guys. Now, I told you guys also at the beginning of the video that I'm showing you guys how you can get free signals from our analysts of over 20 analysts that gives you signals for forex, crypto, and stocks. Now, whenever you sign up for Elite Algo, now you also get access to our Discord server, as you see right over here, guys. And inside of our Discord server, we have our sections for our signals. So we have our stock signals right here and options. Mr. M is absolutely fire. He gives signals almost every single day on stocks and options. We also have a bunch of other analysts. As you can see, we have a daily watch list that gets created every single day. We also have our forex analysts right there, like Caesar, for example, whose trades almost always hit take profit. This guy has an insane win rate. And just look at this. He gives you a very simple and easy to understand signals. For example, this guy told you to buy AUD JPY. He gave you the entry, the stop loss, and the take profits that we're going to use, as well as how much you should risk on this trade. And this trade hit take profit, as you can see right over here, of 105 pips, guys. And over here again, for crypto analysts, we have a bunch of different crypto analysts that you guys can also trade from. Now, this is completely free when you sign up for Elite Algo. We do not charge for this. So if you guys want access to that, All you gotta do again is just sign up for Elite Algo and get access to this algorithm right here, which is again only about $2 a day. Thanks for watching, guys. Have yourselves a good day. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and hit that like button. It really helps us and motivates us to keep making more videos for you guys. Thank you. Bye.